Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Cub Cadet Mower deck wheels is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining a pristine lawn, ensuring your Cub Cadet Mower glides effortlessly over uneven terrain and prevents scalping, ultimately contributing to a beautifully manicured finish that will make your neighbors green with envy. Number 5. 4-pack Lawn Mower Deck Wheels. Keep your lawn mower running smoothly with these high-quality deck wheels. They are designed for optimal performance and longevity. These wheels are compatible with a wide range of popular lawn mower models from brands like Cub Cadet, Craftsman, and John Deere. Check the description for specific model numbers. Easily replace old or worn-out parts with these versatile wheels. They are designed to fit various part numbers, ensuring a perfect match for your mower. Get your mower back in action quickly with our easy-to-install deck wheels. You can replace them yourself at home without any hassle. We stand behind the quality of our parts with strict quality control and a 24-month warranty. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Each wheel has a diameter of 4.9 inches and a width of 2.8 inches, with a 0.5-inch bore. This package includes 4 wheels, 4 shoulder bolts, and 4 lock nuts. What we like. If you're looking for a versatile option that fits a wide range of Cub Cadet, Craftsman, and John Deere models, this is a great choice. It comes with all the necessary hardware for easy installation. Plus, with a 24-month warranty, you can have peace of mind with your purchase. What people say. The wheels are a perfect fit for my Cub Cadet mower deck. These wheels are very durable and have held up well to regular use. Installation was straightforward and they roll smoothly, making mowing easier. Number 4. CheeMuii Mower Deck Wheel Kit. Introducing the CheeMuii Mower Deck Wheel Kit, designed to enhance your lawn care experience. This kit provides a reliable and durable solution for your mowing needs. Crafted from high-quality polypropylene, these wheels are built to last. They are resistant to friction, water, and high temperatures, ensuring longevity and smooth operation. These wheels are engineered for a precise fit, replacing OEM parts like 734-04155 and Toro 112-0677. They are compatible with a wide range of MTD, Cub Cadet, and Troy Bilt mower models. The kit includes everything you need, 4 deck gauge wheels, bolts, and lock nuts. Installation is straightforward, allowing you to quickly get back to maintaining your lawn with improved efficiency. Designed to fit most standard mower decks, including sizes 42, 46, 48, 50, 52, and 54 inches. Ensure your mower operates at its best with these versatile replacement wheels. Experience the difference of solid construction and anti-friction tread. These wheels are designed for a long service life, providing dependable performance season after season. What we like. For those who need a robust and long-lasting solution, this kit is ideal. Made from high-quality polypropylene, these wheels are built to resist wear, water, and high temperatures. If you want a set that will keep your mower deck protected and cutting evenly for years, consider these. What people say. Works well, made well, and better value than what you find at other places. Great replacement mower deck wheels. All hardware included. Well designed. Great product. Fits my Cub Cadet ZT154 perfectly. Number 3. Parts Camp Deck Wheels Replacement for Cub Cadet. Keep your lawn mower running smoothly with our high-quality deck wheels. Designed for durability, they ensure a consistent cut every time. These wheels are a perfect replacement for your Cub Cadet RZT50, RZT54, LT1050, and SLT1554 models. They also fit a wide range of other tractors and zero-turn mowers. Crafted from thick, high-quality PVC, these wheels are wear-resistant and built to last. Enjoy long-lasting performance and reliability. Not just for Cub Cadet, these are also suitable for most Husqvarna, Craftsman, and many other brands with 42 to 54-inch decks. This package includes everything you need, 4 deck wheels, 4 shoulder bolts, and 4 lock nuts for a complete and easy installation. What we like. If you prioritize durability and a straightforward installation process, this option is for you. Constructed from high-quality, wear-resistant PVC, these wheels are designed to last. They are perfect for users who want to quickly replace old parts and get back to mowing without hassle. What people say. Appear to be very durable. Well made and fit on mower deck. Perfect fit. Includes bolts and nuts. Number 2. Deck Wheel Kit 734-04155. Ensure your lawn mower deck is always protected. These wheels prevent scraping and ensure an even cut every time. These are designed to fit a wide range of popular mower brands. Check our compatibility list to ensure a perfect match for your machine. Each pack comes with 4 sturdy wheels and all the necessary hardware, including bolts and nuts, for a secure installation. Made from high-quality PP material with a smooth surface, they provide a smooth ride and help achieve a more uniform lawn appearance. Replacing your old deck wheels is simple. Just follow the easy steps to get your mower back to optimal performance in no time. These wheels are built for durability, offering reliable performance season after season. They are a great replacement for worn-out parts. What we like. If you're concerned about your mower deck getting scraped and want to ensure a more even cut, this is the set to consider. The smooth PP material prevents damage to your deck, and it comes with all the necessary bolts and nuts for a secure fit. This is a great choice for maintaining lawn aesthetics. What people say. Right size, easy to install, seems like good quality zert fitting took grease very easy. Replaced the original mower pan wheels. Nice fit and they work well. Great quality, made well. Number 1. KOOTANS mower deck wheels for Cub Cadet, Bilt, Mtd. Introducing our premium mower deck wheel kit, designed to replace parts from major brands like Cub Cadet, Bilt, and Craftsman. This kit ensures your mower is always ready for the job. Crafted from high-quality polypropylene, these wheels are built to last. They resist friction, aging, and high temperatures, ensuring a long service life and a scratch-resistant finish. Experience smoother operation and prevent deck scratches with our wide tread design. They provide enhanced stability, especially on uneven terrain, ensuring a consistently even cut every time. Installation is a breeze with the included shoulder bolts and nuts. Simply lock them in place for a secure fit that keeps your mower running smoothly. These wheels are designed to fit most 42, 46, 48, 50, and 54-inch mower decks. They are direct replacements for MTD 734-04155, Toro 112-0677, and many more. Each package contains 2 mower deck wheels, 2 shoulder bolts, and 2 lock nuts. Get everything you need for a quick and effective replacement. What we like. For users who demand enhanced stability and a smooth mowing experience, this kit is an excellent selection. The wide treads help prevent deck scratching on uneven terrain, ensuring consistent cuts. If you like the idea of a premium material that offers both durability and performance, these are a solid pick. What people say. They matched the original wheels perfectly and slipped right into place. The kit came with shoulder bolts and nuts, so I didn't have to dig through my toolbox. The wheels feel sturdy and the PVC material holds up well even on uneven terrain. Installation was quick, and once mounted my mower deck glided smoothly with no issues. They are very strong feeling and they were the perfect replacement for my Cub Cadet mower deck. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.